So, how are you guys? I am Ankit and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Stock Photography with AJ. Guys, in this video, we will talk about special days in October 2020 on which you should click photos and also all over trends in stock photography. You should follow these trends if you really want to increase your sales on Shutterstock and other stock agencies also. Many of the photographers, especially from beginners, they don't follow these photography trends and it's result into low sale. But guys, I guarantee you, if you follow these trends, your sales will definitely high than usual. So guys, the theme of video will be same as last two videos. Firstly, I will tell you special days in October 2020 and secondly, all our trending topics in October 2020. I agree guys, I am little late this time but simply ignore it because all the month wasn't passed away. So guys, remember these trending topics or you can note in notebook and make sure most of your clicks should relate these topics. So let's discuss the list of special days. There is Animal Welfare Day on 4th October. It means they are caring and loving with them. Then after it, World Teachers Day on 5th October, and it's very important in this coronavirus scenario. You should add new concepts in your photos related to coronavirus, like show masks and sanitizer in your photo, and you can show how classes are running in this time, etc. Then after it, on 8th October, Indian Air Force Day. Notice that most of the special days in our list are international. They are celebrated across the world and almost in all countries. And some of them are related to a particular country or they are national days. So I think it's clear to all that the international special days are more important than others. More photos will sell based on these special days. Then on 9th October, World Post Day or Post Office Day. And then on 10th October, World Mental Health Day. And it's also very important guys, because all the topics related to coronavirus are in trend. So all the health related topics, or you can say health or medical related special days, will also be in trend. Then the next day in our list is International Girl Child Day on 11th October, and it's also a vast topic because many governments and NGOs starting and running various campaigns on girl child like save them and educate them. So try this concept also. Then the next day is World Students Day and Global Hand Washing Day on 15th October. Then there is World Food Day on 16th October. And obviously, you have to shoot photos of food and other related topics. For example, restaurants, cafes, etc. Then on 17th October, there is International Poverty Eradication Day. It means how to remove poverty and what steps are taken by governments and NGOs to remove it. Then the next is Dussehra on 25th October. And I am sure if you are an Indian, you are well known of it. It's a large festival of Hindus in India. Then the last special day of this month is National Unity Day on 31st October. So guys, that's it. This was the list. You can note it or you can watch this video again and again. So now, let's have a look on all our trends in October 2020. So guys, the trends of this month are also same as last month. If you have watched my previous video and you remember it, then there is no need to watch again. And if you haven't watched it, then please continue watching. So the trend number 3 is outdoor fitness after coronavirus, like how people wear masks and use sanitizer while morning walk and exercise, and how they go to gym and what safety tips are taken there or should taken. Then the next trend is trend number 2, new jobs and businesses after coronavirus. In this topic, you can show online meetings or you can say virtual meetings, webinars, work from home, looking for new job or tension of unemployment, and problems in starting new businesses or startups, how employees are working in office, social distancing, masks, sanitizers, and more like this. Then lastly, trend number 1 is reopening of public places like schools, public transport, cafes, bars, restaurants, etc. You can show social distancing in schools, new arrangement for students, the changed ways of teaching, safety steps and tools in restaurants and other public places. Remember that don't ignore these trending topics. If you really want to increase sales, then I recommend you to follow these trends. I have told you all the special days and trends. Now the photography creativity is yours only. If you like today's information, please don't go without subscribing the channel and give a thumbs up if you really love the video. And if you have any question or doubt regarding video, please share it in comment section below. I will reply them all. And you will glad to know that our subscribers are increasing. Those who have subscribed the channel, thank you very much. And those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel. I will post more useful videos like this. So thank you guys for watching today's video.